Hey guys, this is Doug Zanger at Douglas's Model Garage's videos, and I just got done building something I bought from one of the shows I went to. This is an Opel Maulette, or it's basically a German half track. So I figure I would show you what I got, and uh, this is not my usual type of vehicle to build, as you can see, but it's kind of like half truck, half tank. So let me show you what I built. Alright, so here it is. Has a cap on there. This was originally started by somebody else when I bought it. And the instructions said it was missing parts, but it didn't miss it. It wasn't missing any parts to me. I just did it in a flat olive drab, put the glass in it, painted, all that one green color. Um, Still thinking if I should put some decals on it or not. And came out good. It actually has a full engine in there. It's a shame that the hood and cab is all one piece, but if I was to build it again, I would probably cut that and make the hood open on it. Came out good, except for my one track on this side. It kind of blew a track, but you want to know it if you only see that side. I mean, it was a good kit. Came out good. Goes with my American tank I have, and yeah. Hope you got. I'm probably gonna add more to this video, so this is just be part one. But I'm gonna leave it right here, and